Hello, this tutorial will explain how to check out the UNICASE source code from our SVN. To check out the code, please right-click on the Package Explorer. Choose Import, then select Checkout Projects from SVN. Press Next. Then select Create a new repository location. Press Next. Our SVN URL can be found on the developer's wiki. If you are a project member, then you can use this link from which you can commit your changes to our SVN. If you are not, then you can use this read-only link in which you can view the source code without committing any changes to our SVN. If you would like to be a member, please contact one of the project leaders by email. After copying the URL from the developer's wiki, please add it to the URL field of the new SVN. Then press Next. The SVN repository layout is organized as follows. In the root level, the trunk contains the current state of development. Tags, which are used to create tags to special revisions, like releases. Branches, which are used to branch from trunk to develop new features in isolation from trunk. Below root level, in trunk, tags and branches, it's further subdivided into core, which contains all core plugins that are part of the release. Developer, which contains resources for developers, such as scripts, configurations. Deployment, which contains plugins, features and the update site for release and deployment. Test, contains plugins for testing. Other, contains other plugins and features that are not released with the UNICASE client feature. As a regular developer, you will only need to check out all plugins in Trunk Core and Trunk Developer. Now press Next. Leave the default settings and press Finish. This will now check out UNICASE plugins as individual projects into your workspace and configure them accordingly. Once the checkout has completed correctly, the workspace will build up automatically. After the workspace has completed the build successfully, the UNICASE plugins will appear now as projects on your workspace. Please note the following repository rules. Always update before commit. Only commit code without compilation problems. If you add a new plugin to the trunk, announce to the UNICASE developers mailing list. Don't commit code that contains warnings from both Eclipse or the check-style plugin. For more information about how to handle warnings, please refer to our developers wiki. Thank you for taking time to view this tutorial.